Ooh, oh man, I'm so happy right now. I was just doing some editing on the big rig. If you guys want to see a little more on this, specs, how I built it, you know, stuff like that, just drop a comment or leave a like, and I'll do a little video on it, you know, some like reviews or whatever. But yeah, I'm super excited right now because I finally got my package that I ordered like 4 days ago. So I got one and then two. So use an unboxing knife. I love this damn thing. Ooh, so beautiful and sharp as hell. So yeah, I ordered this because lighting for the camera for the DSLR over here really sucks. It doesn't have a light on it. So plus I just wanted to put a little more light in my videos. So I ordered this. It was like 10 bucks on Amazon. Some really good reviews. So it's basically a magnetic rechargeable light, and I hope it works good. The reviews are really cool. So it has a motion detector option on it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, it's called the ZENFLARE mirror front LED motion sensor lamp, and it's magnetic, so it clips to magnetic surfaces, metal surfaces. So let's get it. Let's see what's up. Nice packaging, pretty cool. Oh shit! Oh damn, it comes really packaged really well. All right, cool. So the light is encased in a little cool styrofoam thing. Nice. Push that out of there. Oh, it's cool. I mean, it's lightweight, but it's still sturdy metal construction, which I definitely like. That's the charger port right there. Comes with a USB cable, and it plugs right in. Cool. This is the mount. It's a little mount. So it has some 3M adhesive, and it sticks to under the cabinet, and then this just, I guess, clips in. Yep. Oh wow, strong. Nice. Perfect. All right, cool. So let's try this. Let's plug this bitch in. It's my Aoki 30,000 milliamp rechargeable battery pack. Let's plug this thing in. Alright, so we got a blue light over here, a red light. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep. Woo! Jesus! Oh! Oh, shit! Damn, this thing's bright, bro. Wow. Yep, definitely worth $8.99 or whatever I paid for this. Jeez. This thing is strong. Alright. There it goes, guys. The ZENFLARE. Awesome. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. 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 There's no button, but it's touch sensitive. And it's motion. That's fire. I keep touching it by accident. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this, give this video a like, consider subscribing, and comment down below. And yeah, that was a ZENFLARE. Peace.